I've participated as an artist in previous editions. This is the first time I'm coming in as a curator, trying as a curator. So I have my exhibition in Old GMC, which is called Neither a Shore, not a sea, but the neither a shore, not a sea, but the. Let me. I've messed it up. I'm gonna get back to you with it.
Neither a shore, not a ship, but well, he's nervous.
I've got a
Sahil is
not a shore, neither a ship, but the sea itself. Yeah. I'm very.
And you're nervous, you understand, don't worry.
Yeah. So it basically looks at yeah. So it basically looks at artists from Goa and Goan diaspora and people who have had something to do with who kind of share a common ocean history. So yeah, so I've gotten people like artists from Mozambique, and then there's one artist from Fiji. So there's one artist from so there are like all the different which from the Portuguese colonies. There are different artists who are giving their works, and this exhibition is like a amalgamation of all these works.